What's good, guys? Derek here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another video. Let's get straight to it. Alright, y'all, so I know it's been like 35 years since my last video, and yeah, I just wanted to put out something new, something fresh, because it's been such a long time, just to get back into it. So yeah, this video is going to be for a Mascot logo of basically like a cyborg, futuristic combat style, like a helmet. And you know, this is like a really dope kind of style, really dope vibe. It's something I really like and get inspired by a lot, like Japanese culture, like street wear, all this kind of stuff. Like if I was to show you guys my Pinterest board now that I use for this, that's pretty much what it looks like. And that's kind of where I got some of my inspiration from. There's some logos on there from some dope people like Alter Ego, shouts to them, and also Jelly Brush, shouts to them as well. But yeah, so I really just wanted to create something because I'm working on creating a esports font pack volume number 2. If you didn't know, volume 1 has been out for a minute and it's on an ultra sale. Before it was like $30, 5 fonts, $75 value. Now it's $19.95, I think, or like $19.99 or something like that on my Sellify page. Definitely check that out in case you guys haven't already. A lot of people have been enjoying it, so I'm sure you guys will too. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to keep this short. I'm working on another font and another font pack. The font that I'm working on now is called Jaeger. That is spelled Jaeger. You can read up on the font by going to the first link in the description and just reading the description on there. But yeah, honestly, I just wanted to create something with it because I think it's a pretty cool font. It's like sporty, esports, you know, inspired by similar vibes that I just mentioned that were on my Pinterest board. You know, like dystopian societies, like robots, cyborgs, like futuristic tanks, helmets, dope stuff like that. And I just wanted it to be simple and versatile, so it's not over the top, it's not overly done. You know, it'll work in multiple worlds and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I did for that. And yeah, I'm gonna be using it. You'll see in a few minutes when I throw that on here. But yeah, like I said, this is the sketching process, and I use ProCreate on an Apple, an iPad Pro. But yeah, guys, also this logo is gonna be for sale. Inquiries, direct message me, email me, comments get deleted, ignored, or I'll just tell you to go to my email. So posting one about a question, business related, in the comment section is kind of a waste. Like I said, an update video coming in the future, a quick roundup of that. Honestly, I've just been in my head, just been pretty lost on what I want to do, where I want to go with the future, my career, art, drawing, logo designs, Mascot Logos and stuff like that. Mentioned this in previous videos. I'm still kind of going through that, I guess, phase, this point in my life, career, whatever you really want to call it. And yeah, I'm just trying to figure that out. So I just want to say thank you guys, and I appreciate all of you guys that have stuck around for this long. Like I said, I know it's been like 35 years. I'm like an old man. I got gray hairs now. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video and stick around for what's to come. More typefaces, more videos. Probably post another one next week, if not the week after. It'll probably be another speed art. Probably similar style as this. Maybe I'll dive deeper into why I've been gone, if that's necessary or not. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Derek here from DaseDesigns.com. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Shouts out to my typeface that just dropped last night, Jaeger, Jaeger. Link in the description is going to be the first link. Any more information and stuff like that, links found all in the description of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. New videos coming soon, next week, if not the week after. Love y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.